Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon iguana. Hey, it's John-Marc, and today's lesson is going to be on a cartoon iguana. So as you can see, I'm going to be taking the basic shapes. I took the head and the body right now. Now I'm working on the legs, quickly just sketching out the area where they're going to be coming in. Quick line action, and then coming back later, and then I can add more detail as always. Make sure you stop at our website, because we will have step-by-step of all the cartoons that we've been working on currently this past month right now. So working on the head right now, a little mouth and a little smile there. Get underneath his neck a little bit more, and always remember, I start very light and I come back a little darker. These are the two eyebrows for his eyes there. There we go. Big open eyes and a circle. Speed line to color him in. And just a little note, this character has been on stickers and tattoos across the country and is currently in my ABC with Noah book for anybody that has young kids learning the alphabet. Also on a video that I created on YouTube. You got to check it out. Now working on the tail, finishing up the basic shape. I pretty much have that all laid out. Now I'm going to be really redefining the character's feet right now in his body. This is a very stylized technique that I created. The feet aren't actual with the little fingers like an iguana has. This is just my representation idea of a cartoon of an iguana. That's the back foot I just shaded in there now, and let's work on the front arm now. Alright, there we go. A little character. He was fun when the airbrush, and afterwards when I finish this one up, I will continue it in Illustrator, inking it, and then I will bring it to Photoshop and I'll add some airbrush effect. Let's work underneath his neck there. These are just one line straight at each other. Get there, you go underneath his neck. More detail for his mouth. Let's shade that part in there for his eyebrow right there to the other eye, giving three-dimensional aspect to the iguana. Let's get his little back fun stuff there. Okay, here's one. Yeah, there we go. With the other ones, this is just simple, just basic shape. Working one right at the other, starting up. Some might be bending, and then as they get further behind the tail, they're going to be getting smaller and smaller. There we go. And then I have it coming over three-dimensional, so it's coming in the middle of his tail. I'm going to round it out, so that's why you can't see the height, so that's foreshortening right now happening. And now it's coming over to the top and the side there, and there's a little smaller one there. And working on the other side. Okay. Let's add some spots on him now, as I always like adding spots on my cartoons, or freckles for that matter. Working on there. Quick lines. There we go. Finishing the back up there. Another one here. And just remember, they don't always have to be consistent, like 3 or 4, big or small. Just randomly place them different areas, and note that you can always take them away when you're inking them in as well, so if you don't like them. In this case, by the face, I'm just making them kind of medium and small, not so big. Let's get more of that mouth and underneath his chin a little bit more. That's looking good right now, a little bit darker for his mouth there. I like to use an HB, like a 0.5 pencil, 0.9 and 7 kind of, but I might change up every now and then when I'm using my mechanical pencil. Alright, I think we just completed this one. Make sure you sign it and date it, and thanks for watching this video again. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Hey, I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.